Welcome to BSc Statistics students. In this lesson, I explain mean and variance of beta distribution of first kind distribution, which means for beta distribution of first kind distribution, that is beta distribution of first kind, I explain mean and variance, how to calculate mean and variance, for which I specify rth moment about origin mu r dash, rth moment about origin mu r dash. I write the formula which is going to be obtained, rth moment about origin mu r dash, which is obtained as gamma of m plus r into gamma of m plus n divided by gamma of m plus n plus r and gamma of m. I write gamma m here and gamma m plus n plus r here. This is the formula. It is obtained rth moment about origin of beta distribution of first kind. From this we have to calculate. If you substitute r is equal to 1, you will get mu 1 dash, and substitute r is equal to 2, you will get mu 2 dash, and then mu 2 is going to be calculated by formula mu 2 dash minus mu 1 dash whole square. So if is r is equal to 1, this is what rth moment about origin mu r dash we have calculated, and this is the value we got. This is the value it is obtained, gamma m plus r gamma divided by gamma m plus n divided by gamma m plus n plus r. If r is equal to 1, you will get mu 1 dash. Mu 1 dash is equal to the formula here, substitute r is equal to 1, gamma m plus 1 divided by gamma m multiplied by gamma m plus n divided by gamma of m plus n plus 1. Now I write one formula, gamma m plus 1 is equal to m into gamma m. This is what the formula, one such formula we always use here. Now you see here, this is gamma m plus 1, this is gamma m plus n plus 1, this is gamma m plus n, this is gamma m. You compare m plus 1, gamma m plus 1. So this can be divided. The highest factor of gamma, it is going to be separated, is equivalent to be m into gamma m, we can write, multiplied by I write divided by gamma m. The values of gamma m I have written. Now you consider gamma m plus 1, m plus n, gamma m plus n plus 1. This is the highest value. So therefore I am keeping gamma m plus n as it is, and I am writing, separating the formula, gamma m plus n plus 1 is equal to m plus n into gamma of m plus n. This is what the formula, gamma m plus 1 is equal to m gamma m plus n, gamma m plus n. Am I right? So gamma m plus n is getting cancelled. Gamma m will get cancelled, is equal to m divided by m plus n. This is what mu 1 dash, it is nothing but mean of the beta distribution of first kind. For this distribution, mean is m by m plus n. Right? Now we have to calculate mu 2 dash. Mu 2 dash is equal to, substitute r is equal to 1 in the formula mu r dash, m plus 2, m plus n plus 2. This is gamma m plus n, gamma m. So that is gamma of m plus 2 divided by gamma of m multiplied by gamma m plus n divided by gamma of m plus n plus 2, in which I write this is nothing but this is equivalent to be gamma m plus 2, gamma m. These are to be compared, going to be compared. So then you have to write gamma m plus 2 as m plus 1 plus 1. First of all, always the formula is gamma m plus 1 is equal to m gamma m. That is only the formula. Gamma m plus 1 is equal to m gamma m. That is for plus 1 only the formula is available. So therefore you write gamma of m plus 1 into gamma of m plus n divided by gamma of m. Why I have written gamma m plus n? Because m plus n plus 2 is the highest factor than m plus n. Therefore, here also I am writing m plus n plus 1 plus 1. Hope you understand. This is what I am doing. Now you can write the formula here. This is m plus 1 gamma m plus 1 multiplied by gamma m plus n, leave it as it is, divided by gamma m, leave it as it is. Now you write m plus gamma of m plus n plus 1 plus 1. That is, you can write m plus n plus 1 gamma m plus n plus 1. Is it okay? What I am doing, I am applying the formula m gamma m. Gamma m plus 1 is equal to m gamma m. So here gamma m plus 1 is m plus 1 gamma m plus 1. Gamma m plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So m plus 1 plus 1 gamma m plus 1 plus 1. Do you understand? Now again use the formula m plus 1. Now even gamma m plus 1 is more than m. That is m plus 1 is more than m. M plus n plus 1 is more than m plus n. So therefore again use the formula. Here it is m plus 1 into m into gamma m. M into gamma m. This is gamma m plus n. Leave it as it is. Divided by, leave it as it is, gamma m multiplied by, now m plus n plus 1 multiplied by m plus n gamma m plus n. Gamma m plus n. Now we can cancel. Hope you understand. This is m plus n plus 1. M plus n gamma m plus n. So we can cancel. Gamma m plus n, gamma m plus n, gamma m, gamma m. Remaining values are m into m plus 1 divided by m plus n into m plus n into m plus n plus 1. So this is what mu2 dash. It is equal to mu2 dash. So our mu2 is equal to, but it is not variance. So variance is equal to mu2. Mu2 is equal to mu2 dash minus mu1 dash whole square. So this is what is going to be calculated by, is equivalent to be, what is mu2 dash? Mu2 dash is m into m plus 1 divided by m plus n into m plus n plus 1 minus mu1 dash. What is mu1 dash? M by m plus n. M by m plus n, the whole square, in which you can take common m by m plus n, and I'm doing in the next page, right? So this is what is the picture you see. Again, m by m plus n here, m by m plus n here, you can take the common, and then we have here m plus 1 divided by m plus n plus 1. Here m by m plus n, because whole square, right? So therefore it is equivalent to be, what I am is, now I adjust here, right? So that, yeah. So now therefore mu2, the variance mu2 is equivalent to be, if I take common m by m plus n multiplied by, here you have m plus 1 divided by m plus n plus 1 minus in the next factor m by m plus n whole square. This is, therefore it is m by m plus n. So therefore this is what the terms remains, is equivalent to be m by m plus n multiplied by, again to take LCM, m plus n into m plus n plus 1. Now the terms here, m plus n plus 1 multiplied by m plus n. So therefore m plus n, it is going to be multiplied here m plus 1. So m plus n into m plus 1 minus m plus n here, value here. So it is, if you multiply here m plus n plus 1 here with m. So m plus n plus 1 multiplied by m. So therefore you obtain here is equivalent to be m divided by m plus n multiplied by. So this is what m plus n into m plus n plus 1 multiplied by, and so this is what the LCM again we have considered. Now I multiply the values, m into m, m square, plus m into 1, m plus m, n into m, that is plus n into m, plus n into 1, that is plus n, minus, multiply with m into m square minus m into n minus m. Now you see the values here, plus m square minus m square, going to cancel, nm minus mn cancel, m is also cancelled, plus m minus m, there are only the values n. Here m divided by m plus n into m plus n, m plus n plus 1, so therefore it is equivalent to be m into n divided by m plus n whole square, m plus n into m plus n whole square into m plus n plus 1. This is what the variance mu2. Mu2, the variance of, it is equivalent to be, this is variance of beta distribution of first kind. Beta distribution of first kind. So these are mean and variance of beta distribution of first kind. If you know the formula, gamma m plus n, gamma m plus 1, m into gamma m, that formula is enough, and you have to by heart the you have to take the rth moment about origin of beta distribution of first kind, that is mu r dash. If you know these two values, you can easily calculate the mean and variance. Hope you understand. Thank you.